With the degeneration of the ecology, pollution is a hazard that lurks us most these days. Though some of the most known polluting agents are vehicular emissions, industrial wastes and water effluents, the rapid growth of information technology is also now a contributing factor to pollution. Most IT devices which carry a certain amount of lifespan are difficult to dispose of at the end of their life. The motherboard of a computer made out of a heat-resistant material has a certain lifespan. Once the motherboard's lifespan expires, it is usually incinerated. Other than the motherboard, the exquisitely colored beige plastic used for computer cases is also impregnated with flame resistance, which can be difficult to dispose of. Another polluting agent is the lead solder. The soldering on the board contains a good percentage of lead, which is a major polluting agent. Lead soldering, if not disposed properly, can contribute to polluting water tables. The fast cycle of computer obsolescence is making IT manufacturers increasingly concerned. Hardware manufacturers, realizing this problem, are now turning to more and more eco-friendly materials. Eco-friendly cabinets and radiation-less monitors are some steps already taken by the IT industry to tackle the problem of pollution. The process of upgrading PCs also reduces the cycle of computer obsolescence. With Save Environment campaigns now a global phenomenon, there is a steady pressure mounting on the IT industry with threats of punitive legislation. And before such campaigns take turn into more serious problems, it is better for both the IT industry and the user to find more eco-friendly solutions.